Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Rune Factory, Tides of Destiny for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 emulator once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and once again we're just back with some more emulation on the channel, just trying to see what can run and what can't with this old CPU. It's a 7-year-old CPU where we just try to test to see what games are playable fully or which games are going to be like, yeah, no, don't run this. Don't do this to yourself. I like this already because we actually keep the game at default settings. The whole point is to see if the game can run in the first place, as I stated. And a lot of them, you'll be surprised at the games that are able to run with this i7. There's quite a bit. It surprises me every time, to be honest with you. There are a lot of games that can run here. Even when it hits 100%, they are run. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I would like to cover more games. Like, I would like to have a big list of the RPCS3 games. It's Xenia and Yuzu as well, because we're doing emulation and it's lower end stuff, which is kind of my thing. Oh, we don't even talk here, huh? It's a Rune Factory. Wait, what? Okay, so you only some voice lines I see. Interesting. Some voice lines. Now this one seems to run at 30 FPS quite fine. So this one looks, oh, that's cool. So this one looks like this is gonna run without any issues. Oh snap. Oh snap again, he just kicked him. We're only using 5 gigs of RAM. That's not bad. So I would imagine this can run on integrated graphics. My GPU is like 13%. I would imagine it could run here. This one doesn't look too demanding, and these games aren't on PC, so these are the only way to be able to play these games. So this one definitely looks like it would run on, like I said, this one definitely looks like it would run on a lower end, like integrated graphics, definitely. You still would need a somewhat decent CPU. 2 cores and 4 threads might still get the job done. This one doesn't look like it's going to be demanding at all, which is nice. That 40% is still a bit more than I expected, but it's manageable. But my GPU is chilling. 8%? Are you kidding me? You run into some games, man, that just cakewalks to run. This is one of them. And I ain't complaining. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you enjoy seeing me test emulators or newest games on low-end hardware like integrated graphics, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I also do how to run games on low-end hardware, all that type of stuff. Anything low-end friendly here, you've come to the right place. I'll see you guys next time, though. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys again. What are the chances of that song being copyrighted? I ain't risking it. I ain't risking it.
Good morning!
What's the deal with you?
Your adorable best friend brings you lunch, and all you can say is, "What's the deal with you?"
Adorable? Who said you're adorable? And why do you always make me lunch? I'm not a kid. I can take care of myself.
Aw, I don't know why I even bother when you're always such an ingrate.
Well, I am kind of hungry. Thanks, I guess.
See? Was that so hard?
Yeah, just hand it over. I gotta get going.
Okay, fine. Hey, did you see that?
What? Huh?
What's happening?
Look out!
For those of you wondering, I don't really know what are the chances of that being a copyright for the cutscene. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. That one skipped me out. In case people were wondering why are you changing from the cutscene. I don't know if that was copyright or not, and I don't want to go through that process right now with this game, especially not with this one. I thought, you know, I'll chill out with this one. But I'll see you guys next time.